What about you know available? How my favorite best? Please like my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Please turn the bell on for notification. Last video we built this so far. And then this video. And then this car is done already. Step 63. These guys right here. And so that's step 63. Step 64. You just take this one. That piece in the middle. That's step 64. Step 64 and 65. Step 66. This piece there, but it's this piece there. That's step 66. Step 67. You place this piece here. Top of this piece. Bottom. Place this piece here. One. There. There. And you place that piece right there. And here you place one. You'll place there for step 8. And finally, step 69, you place, is it this way? This way? Yes. Is that correct? That's correct. Then 670, you're gonna place I'm gonna take this piece off. This will that there. You put this piece, please. Oh, wait, sorry, not yet. This one right here. There. Then you place this piece here. Then you place this piece right here. Yep. Good. That's good. That's good. Okay. Then you place these two pieces here and here. In the middle, you place this next black one there. That's up 70. Next step 75 and 4. Step 76. 66 there. Step 76. Step 77. Just that piece there. Step 70 and 7. Spaces special. Step 77. Step 78. Each space size. Oh no, that's up to 9. Step 78. Each place. That right there. You know what I'm saying? And then step 79. Each place tennis on now. And that's it. And there you have it. For police car, and that one's done. I take the diamond out of her hand, take the money out of her hand. I'll place it in the car. Now, I'm gonna put this side open. I'm gonna put some money in there, the diamond in there. Let's just go before I put it. And then I'm also put the other diamond in there. Also that as well, and then the other money in there as well. When the cops catch her, they're gonna take the money, they're gonna take that money up to the fair. The fuckers fair we use. That. So these pieces are extra, all these pieces are here now are extra. So this piece is gonna go down there. Rest of these guys is just gonna, these yellow ones are just gonna go in here. So that one, that piece, and that one. That's all I have for you guys today. And that's it. That's all the time we have again. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.